Welcome friends, today I'm going to show you how you can turn off the check engine light in your car. First of all, we have to know why the check engine light is on. It's mean have a problem in your car engine. Okay, the car is start. If the engine or sensors or wiring is perfect, it will be off. But have something problem in our car. Okay. Check your car by scanning tools. If you have no scanning tools like this, you can go near your workshop and check by computer where is the problem. If you will check with computer, you can find your problem easily. Okay, they have a one connector, OBD connector, 16 pin. Connect with your car, then find where is the problem. Connected downside the dashboard. Okay, this is your, just can turn it on. Power on now. You can see the light is on. We will check now where is the problem. Now diagnose your car. This is a Toyota Camry. This is a Toyota International model, 16 pin connector. We have to check the power 10 because check engine light connect with the power 10. Okay, engine and AT, engine and auto transmission, connect with the engine and auto transmission. Check the DTC analysis, diagnosis trouble code analyzer. Open this one. Okay, there have some codes you can see. P0037 oxygen sensor heater control circuit low, bank 1 sensor 2. The problem in oxygen sensor heater control. Okay, bank 1 sensor 2. Bank 1 mean head, engine head, number 1 and number 2. The sensor 2, there have 2 sensors. The check engine light is on because of this problem in your car. Oxygen sensor, maybe sensor problem, or maybe connector. There have a connector, maybe connector damage, or maybe not connect very good, or maybe need to clean. Let me show you how to check the sensor or where is the problem. Let's see. This is a Camry 4-cylinder. This car only have a one bank, means only one head. You can see this is a one head. You can see the near its exhaust. They have a one sensor upside. This is a sensor 1. Okay, this is a bank 1 and sensor 1. But our car problem is sensor 2, not sensor 1. Let's go to downside the car and check the sensor there, because the sensor 2 is downside the car. This is the exhaust. Yes, this is the sensor 2. Let's see. Oh my god, you can see the connector is out. this is not connected with the other connector, and also you can see the cushion inside the connector wire. This is connected out because of maybe lock crack. They have a lock, maybe lock crack, but no problem. Also you can check the oxygen sensor by ohm meters. It's like a multimeters. I will put the description in the link. You can see the other video how to check the sensor. Now we have to clean the connectors and connect again. Okay, and you can see other video, see in link in description. This is our connector cleaner, CRC coconut connector cleaner. Let's clean the connector now. Leave it 1 or 2 minutes. After again clean. Let's spray now. Now this is a little bit good. Fixed now. Check it's good. Oh, I think the lock is damaged, no problem, but we will fix the tie clips. I have some tie clips. You can see this is the tie clips. It's good. Let's erase the code. You can see now. Start the check. You can see the check engine light is off now. Thank you for watching the video. Goodbye. Let's meet in my next video.